Hey, welcome to my corner, and this is part 3 of very, very basic Premiere editing. So in part 1, we set up the project. In part 2, we did a basic edit. Now we're in part 3. We're going to go ahead and export it, and you'll be ready to go. We have here on our timeline what we edited from part 2, very basic and simple, and we're done. We're not going to do any more editing. We're very happy with this. So how do we export it and get it so we can send it off to friends and family or clients? You can come up here and you can click this big export button, or you can go here and go File, Export, Media. Whatever makes you happy. I'm just going to click the big export button. Okay, so now we're in our export window. It's going to tell us or ask us some things about what you want to do. So the first one is, what are you going to name it? Well, I'm going to continue to name it It's a Project V1 because that's what it is. And it's going to say, hey, where do you want to save it? Well, right now it's going to just It's a Project. But what I like to do to keep things more organized is go into New Folder and call this one Exports. You can call it Renders, Finals, Reviews. I don't care. Put it in a folder. Double click on it. And it's still named It's a Project V1. So we're going to hit Save. There it is. Under your format and your preset, it usually auto defaults to H.264 and some sort of adaptive bitrate. H.264 is just the compression for an MP4. It's what a lot of cameras like phones and stuff shoot on. So MP4s are super great for sharing. They're lightweight. That's good compression. So keep it in H.264. If you want, though, you can change it to, an animated GIF. You could change it to a QuickTime if you want to go QuickTime. You could do like a ping sequence. You could just go out into an audio format like an MP3 if you don't want to have the video. Lots of things. But for right now, we're just going to leave it at H.264. Underneath the preset, you can pick a lot of different presets. The top 3 right here are preferably the best. You can just do low bitrate, medium bitrate, high bitrate. And that's really the quality. Lower quality, medium quality, higher quality. Easy peasy. Let's just do medium quality. You can see down here, it's going to be 24 megabits, pretty small file. You can also see that since we are matching our source, that it's going to keep it the same. It's going to be the 1920 by 1080 at the 23 frames, and it's 20 seconds and 12 frames long, which matches our sequence that we edited with. It's perfect. So let's go ahead and just click export for right now so you can see what happens. So we're going to export it, and it'll zip through, and it'll say, hey, look at that, you're done. If we go into our It's a Project folder under exports, you can see there's our video, and we can go ahead and play it, watch it back in all its glory, and we can send it off to our friends and family. All right, and there you have it. So you just created your first project. You got a timeline going or a sequence going. You made an edit and you did an export. So congratulations. If this is the first time that you have ever edited something in Premiere, give yourself a pat on the back. You did it. It's easy, nothing to be afraid of, and you can jump in and do more crazier edits and harder stuff as we go forward. All right, well, thank you, and I will see you next time.